There has always been an eternal combination between Sundays and Puri Sabzi. Try this Puri recipe, which is world famous in Uttar Pradesh, along with the hing flavored Aloo Sabzi next Sunday. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita, and we are making Bedmi Poori with Aloo Sabzi. We will start by making a flavorful dough for our puris. For this, take some whole wheat flour, some rava to make your puris crispy, a bit of ajwain which helps in digestion. For color, add some Kashmiri chili powder and turmeric powder. Along with this, add salt to taste and a bit of refined oil as shortening or moin. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. Once the flour mixture forms a crumble like this, it is ready. Gradually add water and make a soft but firm dough like this. Round up the dough and then apply some refined oil and coat it to prevent it from drying. Then cover and let the dough rest for a minimum 15 minutes. In the meantime, we will make our flavor-packed Urad dal filling. For this, in a frying pan, heat some refined oil. Temper the oil with cumin seeds, grated ginger, chopped chilies, a bit of hing, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and some garam masala. Sprinkle some water so the masalas do not burn and cook over simmer until fragrant. This spice blend is what makes the Bedmi Poori so irresistible. Mix it well and let the flavors melt together. Then add Urad dal, which has been soaked overnight and washed thoroughly. This dal is the heart of our puris, giving them that signature taste and texture. Stir and coat the dal with the flavorful masalas. Then add salt to taste, some amchur powder for the touch of sourness, and some chopped coriander leaves for the freshness of flavor. Cook on simmer for 1 more minute and your flavorful dal filling is ready. Now completely cool the mixture and in a blender, pulse it 3 to 4 times so that we have a coarse paste like this. For stuffing the puris, first portion out the dough and roll it into a ball like this. Then make a cavity in the dough like this and fill it with a spoonful of filling. Press the stuffing with your thumbs and securely seal its sides like this. Roll it in between your hands and your stuffed puri dough ball is ready. For rolling the dough, apply some oil so that it doesn't stick to the rolling surface. Then roll the Bedmi Poori to a thickness as you would do with a normal puri. Since we will quickly fry our puri in hot oil, thick puris won't cook through, so roll them thinly. Our puris are turning bright yellow since we use turmeric and chili powder in our dough. As our puri has been rolled thin, you can see the Urad dal stuffing inside. To fry, gently slide the puris into the sizzling hot refined oil over high heat. Softly press the puris into the hot oil and turn. Watch them puff up beautifully as they cook to a golden brown perfection. Fry them until they are crispy and golden. Then drain the excess oil in the kadhai and take them off. Finally, let's make the potato curry, the perfect companion to our puris, which is spicy, tangy and full of flavor. For this, in a pan, heat some refined oil. Temper with bay leaf, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, grated ginger, chopped chilies, and a lot of hing as it's the dominant flavor. Fry these over simmer until they become fragrant. Then add turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder and some besan. Now over a low flame, roast the mixture until the raw smell of the besan disappears. Then add a healthy amount of tomato puree. Cook the tomatoes over high to medium flame until the moisture dries out and it releases its oil. Once the gravy has released its oil, add 2 cups of water and salt to taste. Scrape and stir the tomato mixture and bring it to a rolling boil. Then mash boiled potatoes into the gravy with your fingers. This will give thickness and body to the gravy. Boil the gravy for 3 minutes so the potatoes can soak in all these delicious flavors. Then to finish, add a bit of garam masala, crush in some kasuri methi and some chopped coriander leaves for the final burst of freshness. And there you have it, a plate of piping hot Bedmi Poori with Aloo Sabzi, ready to be devoured. These puris are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and bursting with flavors. Paired with spicy tangy Aloo Sabzi, it's a match made in heaven. We hope you love these recipes. If you did, please give the video a like and until next time, happy cooking!